हुजूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया है, जो शख्स इस बात को दूसरों तक पहुंचाएगा, क़यामत के दिन उसकी हिफाजत में करूं।
Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. Education is not about going to school and getting a degree. It's about expanding your knowledge and absorbing the truth about life. Education is a movement from darkness to light. And our teacher Munawar Zama sir is trying his best to bring all of us from darkness to light through his mesmerizing, life-changing motivational talks. I begin my talk asking you all a question, that who are better in education, boys or girls, which is an interesting debate. And people often respond to this question considering their gender, which is truly not appreciative. Well, as a student of English House Academy, I stand here up the stage to address this very difficult but interesting topic. And don't be under the wrong impression that I'm a girl, so I'm going to favor the girls in this debate. I promise I would speak the truth. And this is what I've learned at English House Academy, that under any circumstances, we shall not lie. Well, before diving into this discussion, I would like to ask you all a quick question. And I hope you all would respond instantly. Well, if I put a 20-year-old male boxer and a 20-year-old female boxer in the ring and make them fight, offering them $1 million prize money upon winning, then who knocks down whom? I'm pretty sure each one of you would say that it's a silly question, that men are stronger than women. So it is quite obvious that the male boxer will knock down the female one. Here, there is no question of debate. It is quite natural and everybody believes in it. But the debate today is, who are better in education, boys or girls? Many of you might be thinking that I'm going to favor the girls. No, I am not. I'm not going to favor the girls, nor I'm going to favor the boys. All I can say that in the field of education, there is no gender discrimination. And there is no competition between boys and girls. Well, on the track of a 100-meter race, boys can outrun the girls. And in the kitchen, girls outperform the boys for sure. And when it comes to excel in the field of education, I would say whosoever gives their 100%, they excel in academics. Whosoever has passion for learning, they enlighten their minds with knowledge. Whosoever stays away from Facebook and holds the books of knowledge in their hands, they remain toppers of their respective schools and universities. Whosoever avoids chatting on Snapchat and engages themselves discussing science, math, and technology, they do innovations and play an instrumental role in nation building. So, ladies and gentlemen, I am of the opinion that in the field of education, neither boys nor girls are superior. It's a platform for everybody. One who comes from a very humble background with no resources for education can also do wonders, as how Dr. APJ Kalam did. Dr. Kalam was not born with a silver spoon in his mouth. He used to sell newspapers at the age of 8 to support his family. But deep inside, he had that passion for learning, passion for education, passion for innovation. So eventually, he succeeded in helping India establish as a nuclear power and played a significant role in the development of the Agni and the Prithvi missiles. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you do agree with my statement that education is a platform for everybody, rich or poor, black or white, Muslims or non-Muslims. Anybody can excel in this field. It is for everybody. I conclude my speech with a few beautiful lines on education. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. Education is not about going to school and getting a degree. It's about expanding your knowledge and absorbing the truth about life. Education is a movement from darkness to light. And our teacher Munawar Zama sir is trying his best to bring all of us from
हुजूर
darkness to
सल्लल्लाहु
light.
अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया है जो शख्स इस बात को दूसरों तक पहुंचाएगा, क़यामत के दिन उसकी हिफाजत